Today we're going to go over the exterior angles of a triangle. So here we have a triangle. We're going to talk about exterior or outside angles of that triangle. So some vocabulary words, exterior angles of triangles. So first we have the exterior angle. And it is an angle formed outside of the triangle when one side of the triangle is extended. So notice how in this triangle here, one side is extended out long. That is what we're talking about. So this right here is the exterior angle. Remote interior angles. And that are the two angles that are inside and opposite of the exterior angle. So not adjacent to. And remember, adjacent means next to. Okay, so we are talking about these two angles here. So here's the exterior angle. This is the interior angle adjacent next to that one. So the remote interior angles are going to be these two. Exterior angle theorem. Okay, so that says the exterior angle of the triangle, so this one here, equals the sum of the two remote interior angles. So this angle is going to be the measurement of this angle plus the measurement of this angle. So looking at this problem here, we want to find the value of x. So here is x. Here, this angle is 22 degrees. I don't know what this angle is, but I do know what this angle is. So remember a few things. The theorem just told us that this angle plus this angle will equal this angle, right? So if I don't know what x is now, and x is going to be x plus 22, I know it's going to equal 121, I just set up an equation that says that and solve for x. So x plus 22 equals 121. Now I want to solve for x, so I want to get x by itself. So if I have plus 22, I need to minus 22 from each side of the equation. That will give me 0, bring the x down, x equals, and 121 minus 22 gives me 99, so x equals 99 degrees. Here's another one, so find the value of x. X is over here again. I know this exterior angle is 90. Again, the theorem said this side plus this side equals this side. So that's exactly what I'm going to set up. So 47 plus x equals 90. Again, I'm just going to go ahead and solve for x. So since this is a positive number, to go ahead and cancel that out on that side, I need a negative number. So I subtract 47 from both sides. That cancels out to 0, leaving me just x. And 90 minus 47 gives me 43. So x is 43 degrees. Find the value of x, then determine the measure of angle CDF. Okay, so here's the information I have. First part, I have to go ahead and find the value of x. After I find the value of x, then I need to find out the measure of angle CDF. And that is right here, CDF, that measurement. So first off, let's take what we know. We know that this angle here plus this angle here is going to equal this angle. So just go ahead and write 7x plus 5 plus 60 equals 20x. So first step in this, we're going to go ahead and combine like terms. So I have a constant and a constant here. So 5 plus 60 gives me 65. Bring the rest of the information down. Equals 20x. Now I need to get my variable terms, so the number with a variable, to one side of the equation. And since I only have a variable term over here, I'm going to move this one over. So I have 7x, that is a positive, 7 is positive. So in order to move it to the other side, I need to subtract 7x from both sides. That will cancel that out here, leaving me 65. And 20 minus 7 leaves me 13x. Now, since I have 65 equals 13x, I'm looking for x by itself. So 13 is connected to x by multiplication. The inverse operation of multiplication is division, so I need to divide both sides by 13. That'll cancel that out, leaving me just x. And 13 goes into 65 5 times. So x equals 5. So the value of x is 5. Now I need to figure out the measurement of angle CDF. In order to do that, let's look at what we know for measurement of CDF. So we know that is going to be 20x. So we have 20x, take 20, insert the value for x that we have is 5. So the measurement of CDF is 20 times 5, which 20 times 5 is 100. So the measurement of angle CDF is 100 degrees.